This is Brett Mumy with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our 2020 Cruisers Yachts 54 Cantius. One of the cool upgrades with this model is the power swim platform now has stairs, so that lowers quite a ways down into the water and has the ability to step back up right in line with the rest of the stairs. You have a port side entry to the cockpit as well. This boat is optioned with the port side joystick, as well as a grill and an ice maker down below. We opted for the bar stools, which could be switched to the seat. This is one of my favorite layouts just because you can kind of belly up between the bar stools to the big power window. Really opens up the boat to all the guests. Big wraparound high gloss seat on the aft. Moving quickly to the bow. Nice wide walkways, not even, side by side foot. You've got plenty of space to walk through without having to grab rails. Each side here will flip up to become a backrest, and then the table stows away right under that center seat. You've got this big old sunroof. This boat's equipped with the Track Vision satellite TV and the DPS antenna up there for keeping the boat in a single location with the push of a button. Moving inside, it's got an upgraded stereo system. Really nice. You can easily control the different zones on the boat. This boat has a freezer down here. Optional dishwasher can be added or ordered on this model. Portside galley, you've got a 2-burner cooktop, double sink with covers. This is kind of nice for spray. It's nice to be able to adjust this right down to where you need to use it. And then you've got dual refrigerators, tons and tons of storage under here, under this seat, obviously in all the cabinets up and below. We went with the charcoal high gloss on this boat. These leaves fold away to give easier access in. The joystick controls, of course. This boat is equipped with the Seakeeper. Again, stereo controls, dual Garmin screens, all of your switching. Awesome visibility. This is a very level running boat. It's powered by twin Volvo IPS 800s. Pushes the boat into about a 29 mile an hour cruise comfortably. Again, excellent visibility. Moving down, we have the small little galley entertaining area with a wine fridge. This is the third stateroom, twin large bunks, hanging locker there, and a TV. In the VIP, got access back to the shared head. There's a full stand-up shower in there. Again, entertainment system TV. It's a separate shower for the VIP. And then moving back into the master, massive hanging locker, storage, shelf storage in there. We have a very good size head and a full stand-up shower, the rainfall head. Massive bed, nice stonework around the mirrors behind the bed, and huge hall windows. There's a washer dryer combo unit there. Obviously the entertainment, Samsung TV, Wi-Fi equipped. Big opening windows, that whole bottom section will open. And you've got these awesome views of the area you're around.